welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this V-part wig from Beauty Forever Hair. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So if you guys know, I've worked with Beauty Forever before and I love their wigs. So when they told me about the new V-part wig, I was excited because you guys know V-parts are kind of like the new thing and they're super cute. So I'm going to be showing you guys this V-part wig with no leave out. So this is the texture of it, curly, beautiful texture. And so unlike a U-part wig, this is in the shape of a V so that there is less leave out. And it's kind of like, almost like it looks like it's hair coming from the scalp instead of like just like a weave weft look. And then it has the clips inside so that you can secure your unit. So let's just go ahead and install it. Most people I see start with just a basic middle part so that you can make it look very realistic. And also included with this hair, you do get a wig cap, you do get a headband, some lashes, some clips, and yeah, some accessories. So let's go ahead and install this. And this is human hair. It feels very soft. There's no smell. We'll go ahead and just unclip these real quick. I really love the construction of where they place the clips. That's how you know like you're going to get a really secure. So I'm going to put it as close as I can to my part. Probably gonna have to back it up some. Let me clip this. Okay, so this is what the hair would look like. And it's actually not bad. I did it better this time because the first time I filmed this video, guys, I didn't get it as close. So when you make your middle part, you want to get the actual clips as close as possible to the middle part, and that's what makes it look more realistic. Now, if somebody's up close on you, of course they might see what's going on right here. Some people might want to wear it this way. You can if you want to, but that's what it's going to look like with no type of leave out. Other than that, the hair is really, really gorgeous. And if you wanted to, you can take the slightest bit of hair, leave it out, and curl it. But my hair texture is not the same as this wig, so I do not want to manipulate my real hair, because if I try to take it out, wet it or anything, it's not going to look like it. I would have to literally take it out and do the smallest like little wand curls for this to blend in with this hair. But this is what it just looks like straight out of the box. Really, really gorgeous hair. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it and define it some for you guys, just so you can see like the real definition of this hair. They also have different textures on their website. They have body wave, which is one that I have from them as well, that you guys will see on this channel. That's really gorgeous and one of my favorites, and I can actually blend that and do some leave out a little bit better. But this is what it looks like. It makes pretty much good on the go hair. You could always toss a little hat over it and go, or like I said, if you want to, you can take a little bit of your real hair out and just curl it so that it can blend with the wig hair. So yeah, y'all, from the front it actually looks good. Let me back up some. It looks good, like it looks realistic. It's only if somebody's like super close to you they can tell like something's slightly off. But honestly, we're in a pandemic and people shouldn't even be up that close to you anyway. So like I said, if you want to wear it out like this, you definitely can. But this hair is very, very gorgeous. I'm just taking some mousse from Taylor Beauty. I always love using this mousse for my wigs. I sometimes get questions of what to put in like curly hair unit wigs. Literally the same thing you would put in your own natural hair. Do natural styling products that you would use on your own hair. But for more lightweight textures like this that are, ooh, I did not mean to do that, that are a little bit more looser, then I recommend just a mousse because it doesn't need heavy styling product. As you guys can see in my hands, probably there is a little bit of shedding, but I feel like that's not too much. Okay, and then this is what the hair looks like. So if you guys have not already checked out Beauty Forever Hair, I will have them linked in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.